Hey guys, I just wanted to show you, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. I wanted to show you just how the wood flooring care that we do for their basic cleaning. What we do is we get deep into the wood grains and extract any dirt residue and emulsify the dirt. Then we take that out and then we go back over it with a buffer and we neutralize the floor. It's back to its natural state. And as you can see, I just did this side here. This side is finished and completed. This side hasn't been done yet. As you can see, it's a different color. It's more rich and it looks a little wet, but it's not. It's not wet at all. It's rejuvenated. We just brought the natural look of the wood back up with the type of solution that we use. Like I said, this side hasn't been done yet. This side has been done. Like you see that fair line. You can just see that area right here is where I stopped at. Above is where I need to go. And right here has already been done. So we can really bring back the life into your wood floors. And this is just with a natural cleaner.